Hi guys, my name is Christy and I'm here at the CaronLab training facility to show you exactly what comes with our professional wax heaters. We offer a comprehensive range of options to heat up all your waxes, from cartridges to paraffin. Today I'm going to be focusing on our professional wax heaters. Our wax heaters are very versatile and come equipped with everything you need to set up your wax heaters. Let's start with our 1 litre professional wax heater, which is designed to fit our 800ml microwave to pot jars. Open up your box, remove the piece of cardboard on the top, then you will find the contents of your wax heater inside. You will find your hard wax skirt, your cord, your heater, and your instruction manual. In your heater, you will find your 1 litre metal insert with your strip wax skirt and your lid. It comes set up for strip wax, but I'm going to show you how to set it up for your hard wax. Our 500ml wax heaters have the same components but is designed to fit our 400ml microwave to pot jars. Our professional mini wax heater is ideal for mobile salons and students. It doesn't take up much room on your trolley but still fits our 400ml microwave to pot jars. We've kept it real simple with this heater, so no inserts or drip trays are needed for better value of money. Open up the box. Remove the professional mini wax heater and the instruction manual. Our professional mini wax heater fits our 400ml microwave to pot jars. It also comes with an adjustable thermostat for fast heating. That's it for this unboxing video. More information can be found on our website, but please don't hesitate to contact us or your local distributor for more information on our CaronLab professional wax heaters. Thanks for watching.